Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see the label, it's Smitten. I cannot stop myself from buying these Smitten products because they are so worth the money. You just need to pay $1.99 and you get so many of this. So let's quickly see this time what I have got. I have been checking you need to keep checking the app if they have like something that you need. So you should go ahead and buy them as soon as possible. And so when I bought this, I also got a leather pouch. You will see all of that. I've become a big fan of these Smitten products. And sorry for not so organized table. As you guys know, I'm very unorganized. It's not like I'm unorganized or something, but there's no space here. Okay, I can see some green pouch. Let's open the products. Oh, I forgot to spray this. What am I saying? Shit. I'm actually supposed to spray. Chalo, koi nahi. Okay. So this is the first complimentary product that I received. So this was like absolutely free with Smitten. And the pouch is okay, you can keep certain things. You can keep it in your purse and it will be handy. The color is good, it's nice. I'm very happy with the complimentary product. And the first product that I chose is Shikakai fruit powder. It says bio-organic, so obviously it will be organic. So I thought I'll try washing my hair with this and then see if it suits me. So it says 100% organic, fresh crop, 100% pure, no added chemicals. And this is supposed, Shikakai powder is supposed to be little, it will hurt your eyes. So you need to be careful. You need to be careful of your eyes while washing your hair. Okay, the sealing is good. It's supposed to be like this, otherwise you never know, anybody can, dilute it. Oh God. So this is how the powder is. Okay, I think I can wash my hair twice with this powder and see if I like it. I'm gonna buy it because I need something for my daily where I can wash my hair every day. So Shikakai is obviously good for your hair and for your hair growth. So oh wow, they have like beauty recipes, man, nice. Okay, these are just products. Okay, so they have these recipes, Shikakai powder, Rita powder. So I'll try washing only with Shikakai powder and then maybe go ahead and buy them. Okay, let's see. So the first product that I selected is Shikakai powder from the brand bio-organic. Okay, what is these? Okay, so the second product, the much awaited product that everybody is waiting for, and I wanted to really try this product. This is from the brand M Caffeine, if I'm pronouncing it right, body scrub. So I was really skeptical if I wanted to buy this because I didn't want to buy a full-size product and then it didn't suit me or not. So Smitten, for such things, Smitten is the best, I can say. See the cute jar, I'm going to keep this, and I love such small jars and boxes. I'm really fan of them. So it has come in this jar, I'm very happy. So one more thing, the best thing about Smitten is my sample products are always very, very good because they want people to buy the full size product, so they give their best product out there. So this is like a powder. I'll maybe mix it with water and then scrub it, and then let's see how it is. Maybe I'll review it sometime. So I'm very happy with these two products. Let's see what have I selected. Okay, I have selected the rice, the Korean secret, of course, the sheet mask. And it's a rice sheet mask, so let's see how it is going to be. Korean products are very good, I have heard, especially the Korean regime with rice or something. And the last product, okay, the last two products that I have selected is, can you believe I got a full size product, guys? Smitten is like, I'm falling in love with this. Okay, so this was from the brand Azafran. It is organic coconut oil. So I always like something that is healthy, something that's natural, something like you can use it for ages together. So this is like organic coconut oil. So I'm going to be using only on face. You need to keep certain things where you should be using only for your face or something like that. And see, it has edible oil for cooking, frying and dressing. So just imagine how organic and certified this product is. I'm going to be using it for my face, and also 1 spoon every day of this, maybe half spoon. It says cold pressed, and this is a full size product. I'm really happy with this. I'm happy with the selection, guys. You need to keep checking the app. Okay, so the last product is a face scrub. So the reason that I took this is because I've heard a lot about this M-Caffeine face body scrub. So I wanted to see if face scrubs are good, because I have a Blossom Couture face scrub. I've been using that. So let's see if this can be equally good or not. This is so cute, guys. The jar is really cute. I didn't say cute, I said cute. Okay. Guys, it's not opening up. Okay, I think I'll just prick it out with something. Okay, so it's obviously in brown color, since it is a coffee scrub. Okay, it's for all skin types, I guess. Let me see it. Okay, normal to oily skin. I have a very dry skin. Let's see if this works on me. So these are the products, like we'll just have a look of all these products again. We'll just keep it back in the box. So this is first one is the coffee scrub by M-Caffeine. It is from the brand M-Caffeine and for normal to oily skin. And the second product is my favorite product, Azafran organic coconut oil. This is a full size product, and a sheet mask, and Shikakai powder. This is 40 grams, and M-Caffeine caffeine body scrub. And last, I got this complimentary. I don't know now if they have this. So this is it. These are the things that I selected for Smitten box this time. Thank you guys for watching my video. Do like and subscribe.